This is problem number 1 from section 6.3. In this section they're asking you, or in this problem they're asking you to find sine theta and cosine theta given this coordinate 10, 24 and this angle theta. First thing you want to do in this problem is you want to rewrite the problem like a triangle. So let's draw this in triangle form where this is theta. They say 10, 24. Well, remember this is 0, 0. So 10, 24 says that this point is moved over 10 to the right and then up 24. So that means that this is 10 and this is 24. Now they want us to find sine theta and cosine theta. So we got to remember two things here. Sine theta we know is the opposite over the hypotenuse. All right, if we go back to SOHCAHTOA. So we know sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now either way we need the hypotenuse here, and in this case we have, if this is theta, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So we need to find the hypotenuse in order to use these two ratios. So let's go ahead and do that. We know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, so the hypotenuse squared is going to equal 10 squared plus 24 squared, which means the hypotenuse is going to be equal to the root of 10 squared plus 24 squared. So let's plug that in the calculator. Root 10 squared plus 24 squared. 26 is the hypotenuse. So now I can write that in right up here. And I can say that the ratio then for sine is 24 over 26. And the ratio for cosine is 10 over 26. I can reduce that by dividing by 2, and that gives me 5/13. And this gives me 12 over 13. So my sine theta and my cosine theta, the ratio for those two is 5 over 13 and 12 over 13 for answers.